If you like pizza and you like fries, this one's for you. This recipe is customizable, so I'm measuring out first the amount of French fries that I'll need in the end, because after we bake the fries, it's going back into this cast iron skillet. So we're going to cook the fries according to the package instructions. My instructions are 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and in the oven we go. So now that your French fries are nice and crispy, we're going to put them back into that cast iron skillet, and we're going to top them with your choice of pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. And then we're going to put it back in the oven just long enough so the cheese melts. And then we're done. Back into the oven till the cheese melts.